So in today's video, we are going to be focusing on an essential part of your 360 waves, which is the crown area. Most people who are unfamiliar with the crown area believes it is a bald spot. Let me start off by telling you it is not a bald spot. And that is what we're going to be focusing on today. So if you get any value out of this video, always be sure to like, share, and subscribe. So today I'm going to be showing you all you need to know about prioritizing and making sure you're doing everything you can for your 360 waves, specifically when it comes to your crown. So as you can see, and I don't have a perfect crown. That's the whole point of this video. We're going to get right. My crown is right here. So before anything, you want to find your crown. If you don't want to scalp and go completely bald to find it, I just say get a nice little cut, low cut, lower probably than normal than I would recommend, but just to find your crown. And then once you locate your crown, you can focus on how to brush it, all that good stuff. How do you brush your crown? For me, what I do is I have a specialized crown brush. I will leave that in the link in the description so you can try one out for yourself. But with the crown brush, you just use the tip of the brush to brush your crown, and this is what it should be looking like using the crown brush to attack your crown. You just want to make sure you're brushing all around that area. That's all it is when it comes to crown work. And you just want to brush all around it. It takes time to develop your crown, just as it would take time developing, your waves in general. But every time you get a brush session in, I suggest you start with your crown and just spend some time on it. That's how you would go in with the crown brush. A lot of you may not have a crown brush. You may have one of these brushes or one of these brushes. It's all the same thing. You would just use the tip of the brush and attack your crown just as I was previously showing you. Regardless of if it's a vertical brush or a curved brush, you just always use the tips or the corners of the brushes when attacking your crown. Bonus tip, you can also use a toothbrush for the crown, which this works really, really well when brushing your crown. And again, you just want to always brush and follow that pattern and just make sure you're getting that brushwork on your crown. Now, when we're talking about speeding up this process, or let's just say you're struggling to develop waves in that crown area, because that is also an important thing to know, that it could be a struggle for some people when developing that crown area and getting it all wavy, man. I'm going to also show you a crown method that you can do. Because I've been focusing on my crown, I see this as a perfect opportunity to do the method for myself, and I'll be demonstrating for you on how you can do it. We have some Curl Enhancer Smoothie, some Shea Moisture. And what we're going to do is take a little bit, just a tad bit. Nothing crazy. Just put this around that crown area. To curl them waves up. Lay it down, lock it in. So what we're going to do, put that little bit all around. And then you can probably guess what we're going to do next. In doing this, every couple times a week, if you are struggling to developing waves in this crown area, this should help. And this is how you always want to brush. It may seem like you're not making progress, but as you keep it up, brushing that crown, you will develop. It's all about just the training of your waves. And to make it even better, we also have these, which I will also link in the description. This is a crown patch, and it will go right over your crown. And then just want to rag up as normal. The crown patch is a do-rag that's specialized for your crown, just to keep that crown in place. Because even with the do-rag on, sometimes, we moving around while we sleep and all of that. If you got any value out of this video, always be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more 360 wave tips. We catch you on the next one. I catch you on the next one.